Your veterinarian won't tell you this. You won't see ticks and fleas on your dog or cat anymore. These parasites really dislike this scent. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You'll protect your four-legged friend from ticks and fleas with a simple recipe. With us, you'll create a preparation that's easy and inexpensive to make. It'll last for quite a few walks. You only need a few ingredients. It's really a very simple trick that I use myself. Let's get started. Prepare a bowl and pour in 100 milliliters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. Mix well. After combining the liquids, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar and mix again. Vinegar and dishwashing liquid effectively repel many pests and parasites. Now take regular unscented shampoo. Measure out 1 tablespoon. Mix to combine everything. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Your mixture already has everything needed for fleas, lice, and ticks. Mix it well. Prepare a bottle with a sprayer. Pour the contents of the bowl into the bottle. Now you can easily apply the spray to your four-legged friend. Spray them all over, avoiding their face. You can also use this spray on cats. Such a spray effectively repels ticks, fleas, and lice. You can naturally protect your dog from fleas and ticks. It's 100% effective. Four-legged friends are particularly prone to having parasites in their fur. Ticks, fleas, and lice cause dogs to constantly scratch themselves. Bites, especially from ticks, are additionally dangerous. Ticks carry diseases. These arachnids feed all year round except when temperatures drop below 0 degrees. The biggest threat is in spring. We forget that warmer days stimulate these arachnids to become active. Domestic animals, such as dogs and cats, need to be checked more often during this time. There are various products for dogs and cats available in pet stores or veterinary clinics, but they are often quite expensive. If you're looking for a cheaper and natural way, we recommend this trick. Anyone who leads an eco-friendly garden and lifestyle surely has this natural product in their cupboard, which kills insects and parasites. It's diatomaceous earth. It also eliminates ticks, lice, and fleas. Sprinkle it on your dog and rub the powder into their fur. You can use gloves. Comb through the dog to distribute the product well. Avoid the muzzle. The powder should not get into the eyes, ears, or nostrils. After 3 days, you can bathe the dog. All parasites will die during this time. If they reappear, repeat the treatment. Don't forget to also take care of the dog's bedding. Sprinkle it with diatomaceous earth as well. It's a natural and effective way to deal with ticks. If you see a dog with a yellow ribbon, walk away. A yellow ribbon on a dog is not just an ornament. Every dog is different. Some enjoy people and gladly play with them. They like petting. They are trusting and friendly. Other dogs may react differently. Their behavior might surprise us. This is due to various dog personalities, their experiences with people, as well as factors like health status or age. A young puppy behaves differently from an older dog. A dog after surgery or illness behaves differently as well. Because of these various options, dog owners came up with the idea to mark their dogs. The color yellow is quite characteristic. Therefore, a yellow leash, collar, or simply a ribbon has a certain meaning. The yellow ribbon is a symbol of the Worldwide Yellow Dog Project initiative. If you want to mark your dog too, all you need is a simple yellow ribbon or tape. Make a bow and attach it to the collar or leash. This will be a sign for others to stay away. If your dog is afraid, nervous, or needs peace, use this method and inform others about its meaning. A yellow ribbon, tape, bandana, or leash means do not touch, do not approach. This way, your dog will be less stressed, regardless of the cause of its current mood. I spray my skin before going out, and I'm no longer afraid of ticks. This homemade spray effectively repels them. Making it takes a moment and it provides protection for many hours. Ticks are just waiting for their victims near places where we walk or spend time outdoors. You can find a tick on yourself at any moment if you don't protect yourself from them. That's why it's so important to use repellents against these arachnids. But you don't have to buy them in the store. Their prices are quite high. Homemade repellent is cheaper. You can make it any time and always have it on hand. Just spray the exposed parts of your body and that's it. It's safe for use on the skin. Ticks are attracted to our scent. That's why the spray works if we use a scent that ticks don't like. The whole secret of this homemade spray lies in rosemary. Ticks don't like its scent, but you don't have to buy it. Natural essential oil is enough. Pour a tablespoon of alcohol or vodka into a container first. Alcohol extends the action of the oil. Add 1/3 of a cup of distilled water, and pour about 40 drops of rosemary oil. Mix everything and pour it into a small atomizer. Spray your skin before a walk and put the bottle in your bag. It can always come in handy when you stop for a picnic in the park with friends. Ticks fear this liquid like hell. It is discharged as their natural #1 enemy. A repellent made from it will protect you from ticks 100%. Ticks will never bite you again. These harmful pests will avoid you by a mile. You will learn how to make the best and most effective tick repellent. You've probably already wondered how to protect yourself well from ticks. We have the answer for that. Ticks have some natural enemies. They are ants. Ants prey on ticks. They secrete formic acid, which in high concentrations is fatal to ticks. If ticks sense it, they immediately flee in another direction. If you see an anthill on your walk, you can put a tissue or other soft material on it. Ants will leave formic acid on it, but you don't have to desperately search for an anthill to protect yourself from ticks. All you need to do is buy formic acid alcohol at the drugstore. It's formic acid with purified water and ethanol added. All you have to do is dilute it with water in a 1-to-1 ratio, then pour the mixture into a spray bottle. Simply spray your clothes with it before walking, and you will be 100% protected from ticks. A simple and inexpensive insect repellent made from hair shampoo. Safe to use at home and directly on the skin. Finally, you'll bid farewell to annoying insects trying to invade your spaces. And all thanks to a quick homemade recipe created from just 3 simple household ingredients. It will protect you and your loved ones from mosquito bites and irritations without harmful chemicals, and your pets from irritating bugs like fleas and ticks. You'll be able to enjoy pleasant outdoor walks without worrying about bites. This repellent works on flies, gnats, ticks, and mosquitoes. To prepare this homemade mixture, first measure about half a measure or half a cup of any shampoo. It can be any hair shampoo, whatever you have at home. Pour it into a container. Pour the same amount of regular vinegar into the same measure. You surely know that vinegar is irritating to all insects, but combined with shampoo, it doesn't have such an unpleasant smell for humans. It's also safe to use on the skin because of it. Add the last ingredient. Pour half a measure of ordinary vegetable oil. Mix all the ingredients slowly to prevent foaming. Pour the preparation into a clean spray bottle. This will make it easier to apply the repellent. Remember, it's safe for the skin. Use the mixture in places where insects are most common indoors. Also, spray the balcony, terrace, and entrance to the house. Insects will no longer be a problem.